Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects and Photoshop CC 2023. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert text created in Photoshop into editable text in Adobe After Effects CC 2023. So here I am in Adobe Photoshop CC 2023. I've created this design and now I want to import it into Adobe After Effects so I can animate it. I want to retain all of the layers, and I also want to be able to edit the text in After Effects. So first, you'll want to save your Photoshop document as a PSD file somewhere on your hard drive. So go to File, Save, or Save As. I've already saved it to my desktop, so I'm just going to click Save to make sure that I have the current version saved. Now I'm going to open up After Effects, where I can import the PSD file. There are a couple ways that you can import a file into After Effects. You can go to the File menu, go to Import, File, or use the keyboard shortcut Command or Ctrl I, or the way that I like to do it, in the Project panel, if you just double click on any empty space, that's going to open up Finder on a Mac or Explorer if you're on Windows. Select your PSD file, then come down to the bottom, Import As. Click on the drop down and select Composition Retain Layer Sizes, as we want to be able to edit everything from the Photoshop document. I'll keep Create Composition checked. I'm going to keep Photoshop Sequence unchecked. Then I'm going to click Open. You'll get this second dialog box, which basically has the same exact thing, so I'll just keep it at Composition Retain Layer Sizes, and I want to make sure that Editable Layer Styles is checked, and I'll click OK. So After Effects has created a new composition based on the size of my Photoshop document. It also created this folder which contains all of the layers as individual PSD files. And to open the Photoshop document composition, all I have to do is just double click on it. And now my Photoshop document is in After Effects, ready to be animated, and I have all the individual layers from Photoshop now in the Layers panel of After Effects. Pretty cool. There is one problem, which is the purpose of this entire tutorial. How do you edit the Photoshop text? If you select the text layer, then select T for the type tool, you'll see that you are unable to edit the Photoshop text. The solution, or the fix, just select any text layer that you want to edit, right-click or control-click, go to Create, Convert to Editable Text. Before I do so, notice the little icon, there's a PS indicating this is a Photoshop layer. If I right-click and go to Create, once we click Convert to Editable Text, it's going to replace the Photoshop icon with a text icon indicating this is now editable text. So now with the type tool selected, I can simply double-click to select all of the text. It's going to have the same text font properties as you had in Photoshop, and you can fully edit just like you could any other new text layer in After Effects. So the next time you import a Photoshop document into After Effects and you're unable to edit the text layer, just select it, right-click, go to Create, Convert to Editable Text. You're good to go. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.